Good morning, children. In the previous class, we have studied about adverb and kinds of adverb. In today's class, we are going to study about adjective. What is adjective? Adjective is called describing word. The word which describes a noun or pronoun is called adjective. Here it is written, words which describe a noun or pronoun are called adjectives. I have listed some sentences. Let us identify which is adjective in the sentence. Always adjective is written before noun or pronoun in the sentence. First one, the tiger is a ferocious animal. Animal is noun, that ferocious is describing animal, tiger. It is written before noun. Birbal was a wise minister. Wise is adjective. Next one, the giraffe is a tall animal. Here tall is adjective. Fourth one, Madurai is a historical place. Historical is adjective. The parrot is a beautiful bird. Beautiful is adjective. There are 7 colors in a rainbow. 7 is number and describing colors. There is little water in the container. Little is adjective. Next one, Jyoti won the first prize in the singing competition. First is describing prize. Last one, there is enough food in the box. Enough is describing the food. These are the adjectives. What their function? What is their function? They describe noun or pronoun. They tell something extra, something further information about a noun or pronoun in a sentence. Let us start the kinds of adjectives. There are 3 kinds. Basically, there are 3 kinds of adjective. They are called adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, and adjective of numbers. How to remember them easily? One word can be made. Quality, quantity, numbers. The adjectives which tell what kind of thing, place, or person. They are called adjective of quality. Here it is written. An adjective which describes the kind, the quality or characteristic of a person, place, thing is called adjective of quality. The adjectives which tell what kind of person, what kind of place, what kind of thing, they are called adjective of quality. The adjective of quality always answers for the question what kind of. Here I have listed some examples. Healthy, intelligent, kind, happy, rich, wide, and last one useful. He is a healthy boy. Sudha is an intelligent girl. Then the monk is a kind person. Arun is a happy boy. John is a rich man. Then the road is very wide. And last one, trees are useful. We can use adjectives in sentence like this. Next one, adjective of quantity. It tells how much. Adjective of quantity answers for how much. An adjective which shows how much of a given thing is called adjective of quantity. The adjectives which describe uncountable nouns like juice, water, food, rice, coal, cotton, so on. The adjectives which describe uncountable nouns, they are called adjective of quantity. These are used to describe uncountable nouns. Some, much, great, half, whole, and last one sufficient. So on the list goes. There is some water in the container. Then I need much food. Great. This is a great story. Half of the rice is eaten. Whole part of it. The bird ate the fruit, whole part of it. There is sufficient oxygen in the environment. Next one, adjective of numbers. An adjective which shows how many of a person, place or thing is called adjective of numbers. The adjectives which are used to describe countable nouns. They are called adjective of numbers. Here there are two kinds of numbers, cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are cardinal numbers. And first, second, third, fourth, fifth, so on. They are ordinal numbers. Let us make sentences by using the cardinal numbers. For example, there are 5 pens in the bag. I needed 10 notebooks for the painting. And Indira Gandhi was the first woman Prime Minister of India. And the 7th day of the week is Sunday. 1st and 7th, these are ordinal numbers. Till now we have studied about adjective and its kinds. There are 3: adjective of quality, adjective of quantity and adjective of numbers. Here earlier I had given sentences and I have underlined the adjectives. Now let us identify what kind of adjectives are those. The tiger is a ferocious animal. Here it answers what kind of. So it is adjective of quality. Birbal was a wise minister. Wise is describing the person, what kind of person he was. So it is adjective of quality. The giraffe is a tall animal. Here tall is describing what kind of animal is giraffe. So it is adjective of quality. Madurai is a historical place. Here historical is describing what kind of place is Madurai. So it is adjective of quality. The parrot is a beautiful bird. Here beautiful is describing what kind of bird is parrot. So beautiful is adjective of quality. There are 7 colors in a rainbow. Here 7 is describing how many. So it is adjective of number. Next one, there is little water in the container. Here water is uncountable. We don't have the exact number. So it is adjective of quantity. How much water? It answers for how much. And 8th one, Jyoti won the first prize in the singing competition. Here prize is noun and first is adjective. Here it is number, ordinal number. So it is adjective of number. Last one, there is enough food in the box. Here enough is describing food, uncountable noun. It is adjective of quantity. These are the adjectives and we identified what kind of adjectives are those. Till now you studied about adjective and its kinds, and go through these examples and be ready for the assignment.